Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's word is byw, which means live. Byw, as in, dwi'n byw yn y pentre. I live in the village. Byw, live.